Did you know the crawl space under your house needs regular cleaning? It's a crucial part of home maintenance that's often overlooked. So why is it so important? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty. A clean crawl space is vital for the health of your home. It prevents the growth of mold and mildew, keeps away pests, and aids in maintaining the structural integrity of your house. Plus, it can even improve your home's energy efficiency. The cleaning process might seem daunting, but breaking it down step by step can make it manageable. Begin with a thorough inspection. Look for signs of dampness, mold growth, or pest infestation. These could be indicators that your crawl space needs immediate attention. Next, you'll want to clear out any debris. This could be anything from fallen insulation to animal droppings. Wearing protective gear, like gloves and a mask, is crucial during this step to keep you safe from potential hazards. After the space is cleared, it's time to tackle any mold or mildew. Using a mold-killing product, carefully clean all surfaces. Remember, safety first. Always ensure you're in a well-ventilated area when using these products. Once the mold is taken care of, consider applying a vapor barrier. This thin layer of plastic or foil sheeting can prevent moisture from seeping into your crawl space, reducing the chance of future mold growth. Finally, regularly inspect your crawl space to catch any issues early on. Proactive measures like these can save you time, money, and potential headaches down the line. So, how often should this cleaning process occur? Well, it largely depends on your home's location and the local climate. However, a good rule of thumb is to inspect your crawl space at least twice a year, ideally in the spring and fall. More frequent checks might be necessary if you live in an area with high humidity or heavy rainfall. Neglecting your crawl space might seem like an easy way to save time and effort, but it can lead to a host of issues. Mold and mildew can cause health problems, pests can damage your home's structure, and excess moisture can lead to rot and decay. Regular cleaning can help prevent these issues, keeping your home safe and sound. In conclusion, the crawl space may be out of sight, but it should never be out of mind. Regular inspections, cleaning, and maintenance can prevent potential problems and keep your home running smoothly. So don't overlook this hidden space. Your home and your health will thank you. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the process, or simply don't have the time to dedicate to proper crawl space maintenance, don't worry. You can always turn to professionals like the team at Attic & Crawl Space Solutions. They have the expertise and equipment needed to ensure your crawl space is clean, dry, and safe. Remember, your family's health and safety is paramount, and professionals can provide the peace of mind you need. Visit their website at Attic & Crawl, spacesolutions.net for more information or to schedule a consultation. Don't leave the health of your home to chance. Trust the professionals.